Yung nga. Mamaya, tingnan mo sa YouTube ko, ang dami na kung ano pinagagawa ko doon. Okay, today is March 2, year 2025. It's been a long time for not visiting the Tumala. Okay, just give you dami kasing hobby eh. Last week nag-stroller lang kami, mini four-wheel drive. Punta kami sa saan yun?
Tutamon?
Field and Stream campsite. Ganda. Pwede may Anyway, okay. Ito bagong laruan ni Jimbo. Laruan.
Yan lalo ni
Tama.
Jimbo, ganda ng laluan mo.
Ganda niyan. Ganda.
Raptor.
Raptor.
700 size.
700 size.
Di ba, may table mo dyan sa bahay.
Meron ka?
Meron.
Ang
Saka
ganda
700
nito.
na align. Meron din akong table nakita ko.
Ayun, kay Sige, bigyan mo sa akin
Ay!
bukas.
Aba! Kanina ba? Nagto-troller na kami. Ang ganda troller eh. Ganda rin. Okay. Oh, pati ibon meron na rin.
Siyempre!
Saranggola.
Dapat madaming variety eh, no?
Malayo.
Okay. Today it's a perfect weather. It's not so hot. Pero ito, nako. More than 3-story yata to, no? That building is already a 3-story. Ay, nako, dadaanan ng aeroplano. Paano yan? Pero no problem. We have coming up a new runway. Kamusta bagong runway natin? Anyway, they are building a new runway here. Okay. Okay. That's the new runway. And this is our existing runway. Because there's a new resident housing being built. Look like a 3-story. Okay. Nice weather. Okay, that's about it. Thank you.